Break your HR team free from time-consuming tasks by bringing workflow automation to your HR team. From interviews to paychecks and everything in between, HR policies and procedures affect your daily life. Now you can improve them for everyone. Managing your human capital takes an elaborate set of processes and procedures, much of which has come about organically, responding to new joint ventures, emergency resourcing requirements, safety incidents, or the latest legislation. You may not realize how much of your day is taken up by dealing with ad hoc processes, without ever tying back into your own systems, losing information, and often having to repeat key steps. Let's pause to consider the time, effort, potential for error, and frustration that one has to spend to get each new employee to a point of productivity. That's a lot of waste in money, time, and management effort. Now let's think if there was a way for new employees to get right to work on day one. Now wouldn't that be great? Managing your human capital takes an elaborate set of processes and procedures, much of which has come about organically. HR is a very paper-heavy function with different forms for different processes. From gathering all the necessary documentation, drafting and signing contracts, and onboarding the new team member, a huge amount of time is spent on processing information and rekeying the data into multiple forms and systems. 50% of HR departments' time is spent processing employee information. 40% of their time is spent on administrative work, either re-entering data from one system to another or on other tasks. Senior management spend much of their time focusing on commercial issues and the latest management fads. However, humans are more important than hardware. Good business needs good people. Good people need good HR. It's not a fashionable idea, though. So what benefits come from freeing HR from their time-consuming tasks? Reduce administrative costs, boost employee satisfaction, reduce paperwork, improve productivity, ensure compliance, improve data accuracy. In short, your new employees get right to work on day one. HR is a very paper-heavy function with different forms for different processes, with convoluted approval processes. HR has a huge number of time-consuming tasks for recruitment, onboarding, performance reviews, leave requests. From gathering all the necessary documentation, drafting and signing contracts, and onboarding the new team member, a huge amount of time is spent on processing information and rekeying the data into multiple forms and systems. We provide technological solutions using dynamic data content to create personalized fields to pre-fill in documents, allowing employee information to be used in a centralized and organized way. These solutions ensure all the necessary documentation, steps, and signatures are followed. There is a lot of software out there, but most offer an inflexible black box solution, a one-size-fits-all solution with customization charged at a premium. What you really want is your systems, processes, and people all working together quickly and economically. We get that. What we provide is a web-based platform that enables managers to create and execute any kind of workflow process or procedure without technical knowledge or IT support. We can develop web-based automated workflows to automate employee onboarding, from an employee accepting an offer to adding them onto the HR systems and getting them their IT equipment. As we use your systems, your processes, based around your people, there's no limit to the workflows that can be automated. From hiring managers completing the job requisition and sending this for approval and getting approved, to updating HR and payroll databases. As you can see, HR automation tools decrease the reliance on multiple applications that can increase overhead and confuse workflows. They can allow the quick mining of data and coordination with all team members to provide real-time status updates. However, when you develop new systems and manage change, the complexity and risks of a project can multiply, creating a barrier to change. So you need extra expertise and resources. But you also need the management skills and strategy to bring that all together. Now you have a new option with Dada Enterprises. You benefit from a low-cost resource with the toolsets, processes, and the strategic vision you need, and the UK staff to deliver them on site from one end of the value chain to the other. Thank you for viewing this on-demand webinar. Please get in contact to hear how we can offer you a free project audit to benefit from some of the concepts discussed here.